I'm a resident in Huruma Flats, and it is very unfortunate. It is very sad. This is a sad image, a very terrible picture, and I want to address the county government of Kenya, Nairobi specifically. My governor Sakaja, we respect you, we respect your office, but unfortunately you have failed. You have failed as a leader, because for the past more than 8 years, you made this a dumping site, and it is very unfortunate. This is an estate. We have schools, we have kids, and it is very sad. And as my colleagues have just mentioned that very many kids are visiting the hospitals around, and the records are there. We have very many kids having diarrhea, dysentery, cholera, and all those diseases. So we are demanding because we know that the county government has a budget to work for us as the community. So we demand that Sakaja and Mosiria and Malawi and all those officials in the county government of Nairobi to immediately remove this garbage from the road and from the estate and from the schools permanently. As Huruma Flats, this is not a dumping site, it is not a holding site, this is a road. So we just want the garbage to be removed completely, and we be given a holding site, because we have our garbage boys, our garbage collectors who are doing very well, they are working well, but then unfortunately you are not picking and collecting the garbage. So Mosiria, Sakaja, it is very unfortunate that you have failed as an office and as our leaders.